Now Manyavar, it is Vedant Fashion. It is basically it is a retail chain, dress, fashion dresses and all these things. Government company. It is a small cap company. 0.14 lakh crore is the market capitalization. Dividend yield is 1.5%. Promoter holding you can see is 74%. Mutual fund is 8%. DIA is 2%. FIA is 9%, and retailer are only 4%. Current price of company is 577. All time high is 1572. 52 high is 1302. So 52 week low is 572. So current price of this company is almost at 52 week low. We are getting discount of 61% from all time high, down from 52 high is 55%, up from 52 low is 1%. PE of this company is 36, gain from listing is up. It has given a negative gain, that is minus 38%. So I had not mentioned here, but company is very good and future prospects of company is very good. I had taken this company and selected this company because promoter holding is 74% and retailer only 4%, and dividend yield is also 1.5%. So we can think of this company. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Oh, one more share is there for a small cap company. So it is Godfrey Philip. It is a cigarette manufacturing company, small cap. Market capitalization of this company is 1.14 lakh crore. Dividend yield is 1.5. As promoter holding is 72%. Mutual fund is 3%. DIA is 5%, 0.5%. FIA is 8%, and retailer are at 10%. So now we can. Yesterday, government imposed some extra excise duty in this company. So there is a steep fall in this company. Now current price of this company is 2250. All time high is 3947, and 52 high is also 3947. 52 low is 1370. We are getting at a discount of 43%. So down from 52 high is 43%. Up from 52 low is 64%. PE is 16. So gain from listing is 5530, and company is at a very good rate because of recent action taken by government, that is imposing excise duty on cigarettes. So we can think of investing in this company as well as ITC. But ITC is a big giant. ITC is a large cap company. So in Godfrey Philip, you can invest with a small chunk. Now it is at very good buying level. But do your own study before buying this company. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.